Home. It's the relief you feel when you pull into the driveway after work. The laughter in the kitchen while you make dinner. It's hanging out with your favorite people and getting to be who you really are. Home is about comfort and security, and that's exactly what we help to create from the very start. We're Cedia certified technology integrators, a community of experts who bring to life the home experience of your dreams. We create fully integrated electronic systems crafted to perform, from designing to building, testing to installing, problem solving to troubleshooting, we do it all. Innovating the smartest way forward, no matter what stands in the way. When you partner with us, you team with experts not only trained in the latest technologies, but uniquely skilled at turning know-how into wow. A home that wakes up when you do. Music that fills any room, or every room, whenever you like. Security systems that give you and your family peace of mind. Sure, we all like technology, but at the end of the day, integrators aren't about gadgets, bells, and whistles. We're about understanding what's important to you and crafting a personal home experience that delivers the life you dream of. A life lived best at home. Not just any home, your home.